Welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. It has been a rather quiet day. We've moved up a little bit. Altcoins rather suffering a little bit, rather neutral to rather down, sort of in that neutral down mode, whereas Bitcoin actually moved up a little bit, but overall sideways action on the Bitcoin chart. As I suggested in my first video today, it might be a quiet day and Bitcoin might spend time this weekend between the signal line, the green signal line here, which is a resistance and upside breakout point, 87,100, and the lower boundary of our support zone at 80,066. So we spend some time in between this range, and we have an initial 5-wave pattern to the upside from the low. I mean, I really only want to take a look at the shorter time frame. We covered the daily time frame in the last two videos, but idea is, look, we've got 5 waves up, potentially 5 waves, so based on that I provided a support zone. All it means is that as long as we're now holding support at 80,066, that's the lower boundary of that one, of that support area. As long as we're holding that, the overall idea that we could go higher and that we've bottomed some kind of a low this week, that can that is kept alive. There are two pathways that I see when we talk about higher prices. The first one is the yellow scenario, in which we get overall one more low, but in the short term, due to the 5-wave move up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up indicate, okay, trend is up, okay. Because of that, I'm rather looking for higher, but we have 5 waves up. So the first one in the yellow scenario indicates 5 up is the A wave in the yellow scenario, 3 waves down, that's the B wave, and then C wave up, and that could complete a larger degree 4th wave, one more low, and then up. The move down would, by the way, be circle 5, complete a larger degree 4th wave. In the white count, that 4th wave already bottomed here on the 28th, so pretty much yesterday. And to confirm that one further, we need 1, 2, 3, like the ABC structure. So until here, up to here, the yellow scenario and the white one are the same essentially, but they differ here now. Okay, so the pullback afterwards would be a 4th wave in the white scenario, a higher low. There will be a support area we can define when we get there, and then from there, one more high would confirm the white scenario, and that would mean, yep, we probably really have a substantial low. We are on our way towards 125, 130k. So these are the two pathways I'm watching. As I just showed you, we won't know if it's the white or yellow count until we form 3 waves up, and then until we find out whether the price can hold a higher low in this pullback. So there's a little bit of work needed. We need some more data, but in the very short term, we shouldn't really care about whether it's the yellow or the white count, because there's no way of knowing. The focus now is on whether the bulls can actually hold the higher low here above 80,066, and we have 5 waves up. We already have a bit of a pullback that was quite weak, so I suggested that this was just the A wave down, B wave up, C wave down, and then this is the resistance area I provided earlier today on Discord. It's between 86,130 and 87,438. 87,438. This is the, let's say, really the standard resistance for an internal B wave, and it tells us that there's a high likelihood of the price at least getting rejected there, which is happening right now. Actually, if you notice, there's a bit of a red candle there. It's obviously not really a strong rejection yet, but that's what I'm tracking. Potential B wave. I would prefer a pullback before we break out, but of course a breakout directly is possible. Just in my opinion, not the most likely pathway, but we talk about a very small time frame here. I think it can be summarized quite simple way. So I'm overall looking for higher, as long as we're holding 80,066 because of the initial 5-wave move up. But it is possible, and at least we need to prepare for it, that there's going to be another test of support before we go higher. Okay, This is resistance, not only Fibonacci resistance, but we've got the previous swing high here as well, from 87,100. And again, yeah, it's quite likely we spend some time between support and resistance this weekend. So maybe we do this and then go up. Yeah, and that's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. We talk about Twitter, X. We asked you guys for your opinion about a coin for which I will provide an analysis exclusively on X. It is Supra. You guys voted for it. 900 votes. Most of you voted for Supra. I will upload this one tomorrow on X, so if you don't want to miss it, check out X. You'll find our profile link in the description. Just make sure you only follow the official account.